This week we're going to learn about proper adjectives. Remember, an adjective describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. So in box A, we actually have proper nouns, so they are the names of places. And in box B, we have common nouns. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a proper noun from box A and turning it into a proper adjective. Now, a lot of these, you basically just have to memorize the spelling of them, but they will be describing a noun in box B. So the first one is China, and again, you kind of just have to memorize these, but do make sure that you are capitalizing the first letter because it's a proper adjective. So China becomes Chinese food. So again, I took a word from here, made it into a proper adjective to describe this noun. Now the next one is Italy. Italy becomes Italian. So Italian pasta. Next we have Japan, and Japan becomes Japanese. And again, all of these must be capitalized. So I'm going to say Japanese vegetables. So Japanese would describe the vegetables just as Italian would describe the pasta and Chinese would describe the food. So these are proper adjectives. The last one in this column is Canada, and Canada becomes Canadian. So Canadian, I'm gonna say songs. So Canadian describes the songs. Now the next one is Ireland. Ireland becomes Irish. So Irish stories. Irish describes the stories. Europe is European. So European clothing. Actually, I'm going to say European cars. The next one is Russia. So Russia becomes Russian. So Russian technology. So Russian describes the technology. And last but not least is Africa. Africa becomes African. And what's left? African clothing. Right, so African describes the clothing. So again, you basically just have to memorize these, but always make sure that they are capitalized because they are proper adjectives.